Hello children, I am Usha. Now I am going to teach you how to trace the alphabets and how to write the alphabets. Shall we learn how to trace first? Yes. Apple. Arrow. See, now we will see how to trace. Next, ball, banana, basket, balloon. Now we will see how to trace. Cat, cup, camel. Shall we see how to trace? Next, dog, drums, doll. Shall we see how to trace? Next, elephant, egg. Shall we see how to trace? Now we learn how to trace alphabets. Now shall we learn how to write the alphabets in 4 lines? Yes, come. See, this is the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. In these 4 lines we will see how to write the alphabets. B, K. Next, D, A. Once again, A, B, K. A. Dear parents, make your child to practice these alphabets and send their videos to us. Thank you.